In this video, I will show you an amazing free AI tool to turn trash audio sound like studio recording in just one click. So hello people, I am Vishwa and welcome to our YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel yet, do subscribe our channel. So without further delay, let's start with the video. So you can see I have already opened the website. The website name is podcast.adobe.com. So I have provided the link in the description. You just click on that link, okay, and you will be taken to this website. And I have logged in as well. You also just log in with your Google account. After login, you will be able to see the interface like this. Okay, to enhance the quality of your audio, just go to Quick Tools, Enhance Speech, and here you can see remove noise from voice recordings with speech enhancement. Okay, so this is the amazing tool. I have been using many tools, but this is the one of the best tool that I have come across. So here you can see drag and drop the audio. So it supports only MP3 and WAV file, and maximum size we can upload, that is 500 MB, and 1 hour max duration per upload, and we can upload up to 3 hours total per day. So just click on upload to upload your trash audio. So this is my trash audio. I'm just opening it. Here you can see enhancing speech. So it takes some time, so depends on the how long your recording is. So if it is in some seconds, okay, like this recording which I just uploaded, which is of 22 seconds, okay, so it will take less time. And here they are saying some files can take up to 10 minutes to enhance. So obviously if the file is big, so it will take a lot of time, like 10 or more than 10 minutes. So you can see our audio is generated. You can view and download your audio. So first we will listen the trash audio, and then we will listen the enhanced one. So here you can see the button, okay, toggle button. We can turn it on, turn it off, and on. On means enhanced speech, okay. So I'll just turn it off and we'll listen first the trash audio. So let's listen. In this video, I will show you an amazing free AI tool to turn trash audio sound like studio recording in just one click. So without further delay, let's start with the video. So are you excited for that? Let me know in the comment section. So you must have noticed like there is a lot of background noise. After that, there are some disturbances in the trash audio. It is not sounding good. Now let's see the enhanced speech. In this video, I will show you an amazing free AI tool to turn trash audio sound. You can listen, it's really amazing. The voice, it's completely different, coming differently. It's sounding like a studio sound, as I said, like studio recording in just one click. So without further delay, let's start with the video. So are you excited for that? Let me know in the comment section. So literally this tool made it from trash to studio audio. Are you agree? Let me know in the comment section. So I have provided the link of this tool in the description. You can go and check. And there are many this kind of useful videos I have made already. So you can visit my YouTube channel, or you can check the description for other videos. Do like and subscribe to our channel if you found this helpful. Click on the left video to know the free text to image AI tool, or click on the right video to learn how to create talking AI avatar. Thank you so much for watching.